Welcome to 2746 Sea Blush Drive in beautifully sunny Nanoose here in central Vancouver Island. I'm standing out front of this beautiful, custom-built, one-owner home that is just awaiting your ideas. This custom home has a fir frame, superior built, and sits on 5.44 acres, allowing a multitude of uses. You could add a beautiful shop. There's potential for a second home subject to municipal approvals, and the home currently has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a beautiful primary suite, which includes a walk-in closet, huge ensuite, and a private deck right off the primary bedroom. This custom-built home has vaulted ceilings in the main living area and entrance, custom milled cedar ceiling, dual vanities in the main bathroom, and a massive kitchen with an attached 2-car garage. If privacy, space, and beautiful natural scenery is on your list for your home search, then I encourage you to check out 2746 Sea Blush Drive. If you'd like to arrange a private showing or obtain an information package, please reach out to our team through coopergroup.ca or have your agent reach out to our client care team. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, and we are ready when you are.